I want to pursue a PhD because I'm deeply passionate about finance research and enthusiastic about exploring how new computational tools can reshape the field. My academic background with a bachelor's degree and a master's degree in finance economics, as well as research training in machine learning at Oxford and Copenhagen, has shown me how data science and machine learning can open up innovative approaches to asset pricing and financial econometrics. And most more, I think what excites me most is the opportunity that not just to apply existing models, but to contribute to original research that bridges financial theory with advanced computational technologies. I think a PhD will provide me with the necessary training, mentorship, and some supportive research environment I need to develop as a scholar and produce work that makes meaningful contribution to both academic and industry. The business school in UNSW hosts one of the strongest financial research group in the Asian Pacific region, and particularly the School of Banking and Finance. I'm especially drawn to the work of Professor Francisco Barreras Bedoya in empirical asset pricing, as well as Dr. Amy Kwai, whose paper High-Frequency Trading Strategies has been a major source of inspiration for my own research proposal. So I think the perspective of learning and cooperating with such distinguished scholars is the key reason I want to pursue my PhD at UNSW. It has always been my ambition to publish in those top-tier finance journals, and the opportunity to engage with world-class faculty at UNSW provide the perfect environment to turn this goal into reality. So, and on a personal note, my fiance will also be studying at UNSW starting in term 3. So, being in the same city will give us the stability and the support during what will be an intense period of study, which I believe will allow me to perform at my best. Thank you. My primary research interest lies in the integration of multimodal sentiment analysis with high-frequency market data to develop dynamic quantitative investment strategies. So specifically, I aim to construct sentiment indexes that combine text, image, audio, and video data using advanced deep learning models. And I would like to integrate these indices with high-frequency market microstructure features, so such as order imbalance, bid-ask spread, and intraday volatility, which could enhance momentum-based trading strategies. I think this topic excites me because it sits at the intersection of finance, machine learning, and market microstructure research, which allow me for more accurate modeling of how investor sentiment and the real-time market conditions could influence asset pricing. And I think by leveraging reinforcement learning for portfolio optimization, I seek to design strategies that can dynamically adjust to shifts in sentiment and volatility, thereby improving return predictability and risk management. So I'm also in extending this framework to global market, including the US, European, and Japanese, Chinese indices to test cross-market transferability and robustness. This research not only addresses a gap in the literature where most sentiment studies rely on single model or low-frequency data, but also aligns with the growing role of AI and big data in the financial decision making. Thank you. So a distinctive strength I bring is a combination of strong mathematical skills and advanced programming ability. So I have a foundation in quantitative methods such as some coursework by advanced macroeconomy and econometrics. So as well as my bachelor's degree in financial engineering. I think my mathematical background is particularly strong. So during my study, I have developed proficiency in stochastic processes and the solution of ODE and part of PDEs, so which enable me to work fluently with the derivation and the formula commonly encountered in the financial literature. And in particular, I'm proficient in Python, MATLAB, SQL, and various machine learning frameworks, enable me to design and implement sophisticated empirical models. and my ability to apply deep learning, simulation-based inference, and statistical modeling to complex financial data sets has allowed me to contribute innovative approaches to research projects, such as integrating multimodal sentiment analysis with high-frequency trading signals. So I think this combination of mathematical and computational ability, so equip me to handle some cutting-edge research challenges and which can make meaningful contribution to the UNSW's research. Thank you. They might say that I need to keep an eye on fine details. So early on, I had sometimes overlook some small coding and data cleaning issues which could cause delays. That experience taught me that the importance of building systematic checks into my work. Now I use peer feedback, multiple review stages, and automated testing to make sure that my results are robust. And it's still something I conscientiously worked on, but I made real progress, and I see it as a strength in development rather than a weakness, and which could hold me back. I think.